Hey, what's up you guys? Good afternoon. I'm here today at Disney Springs. We're going to be doing some things today. We're going to be checking out the World of Disney because I heard that there is some new merchandise and I haven't been back here in 2 months. Then we're also going to check out Everglazed donuts because that is a new thing that opened up here at Disney Springs. So let's head on in. It's a very nice sunny and beautiful day here today at Disney Springs. There's a little bit of clouds, but other than that, it's just a very nice day today. No wind, there's a little breezes, but not too much. Planet Hollywood is open for indoor and outdoor seating. And the Coca-Cola store is open, including the top where they have the soda fountain bar. Christmas is gone from Disney Springs. I'm walking by the courtyard that had the Christmas tree, the really big one. It's all gone now. Balloons at Disney Springs. Disney cat merchandise. These are a 4 pair of crew socks. These are $24.99. Then below those, I wish I can get this, but they have a Loungefly bag of Marie and her brothers from the Aristocats. These are, this is, let's see, $90. But the nice thing is that it has 3 pockets in front. One here, one there, then the main one up here. You say cat lady like it's a bad thing. This is a hat for $27.99. Has a little Marie on it, so cute. Then below that, they also have a shirt with the same saying of the cat lady. Let's see if the back has anything. Back has nothing, but these shirts are $36.99. They have another shirt with different Disney cats on it. Oh, that's really pretty. They even have a little Oliver from Oliver and Company. Aw. This is $36.99. Next to those, they have rain jackets, with all the cats on it. These are, let's see, these are $54.99, and then above those, they have a bucket hat. Oh, this also has little Disney dogs on it too. A little bucket hat for $29.99. They have leggings with the Disney cats on them at the bottom. Same design as the shirt and rain poncho. These are $39.99. There's also lots of merchandise for your pets. They have little pet apparel. This one says, "Life is a walk in the park." And this is $34.99. There's also a little wallet here, lanyard wallet of the dogs and the cats. This is the cat one. Then below that, they have the dog ones. And these are all, let me see, both designs are $20. Below the I love my Disney dog sign, look at this! Oh my gosh! Little dresses, oh, for the dog, that's so cute. These are $39.99. They also have a fancy little button up to go with it. These are also $39.99. They have another sweater that says "Stay Positive" with Pluto. This is $34.99. On to the Disney dog side now. They have Loungeflies just like the Disney Cats one. It also has the 3 pockets. This one here, one there, and the main one on top. Features one of the Dalmatians from 101 Dalmatians, Lady from Lady and the Tramp, and Pluto, of course. These are also going to be $90, just like the cat ones. But they also have a little wallet with the same 3 Disney dogs on it. I'm going to open it in a second, but these are going to be $50. Let me open the inside. The inside pattern on this wallet is also a Disney dog pattern, and the inside is a nice light blue. These are gorgeous. These are the new ears for Chinese New Year. I'm a really big fan of the flowers on the bow here, plus how shiny all of the gold detailing looks on it. The ears are $29.99. This is absolutely beautiful. This is the spirit jersey to go with the Chinese New Year's ears. Look at how beautiful that red is with the gold on it. There's a little Mickey down here as well. I love how, let me show this. In the sun, well, the light of the store, there is glitter on the red embellishments. So pretty. Then the front, this is Year of the Ox this year. Has that embellished on the front. Let me see how much these jerseys are. These are $74.99. He is the favorite child indeed. The favorite child shirts are $29.99. Next to those, they have some new phone cases available. There's going to be 3 of those. They have this one, a clear one, with Mando, Baby, and different designs from season 2 on it. This is $34.99. There's this one of just Mando. It says the show title at the bottom for $29.99. Then there's this one, various little drawings of Baby on it. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. This is also $34.99. And I really recommend Disney phone cases because these are very durable. I had one on my old phone, and then I had one on the phone I'm using right now, and I've dropped it so many times and nothing has happened to the sides. No dents or scratches or anything like that. Very tough cases. Oh my goodness, they have, well, coffee or tea mugs here for $22.99. They have a little child and his little crib on it. That is the cutest thing I've ever seen. Let's see, the other side, has the Mandalorian, the child, on it, and the inside, they should put a little frog on the inside. That would have been really cute. They have the big lounge flies of the Baby still. Then below those, they have a mini lounge flies. Oh my god, these are so cute. Look at his ears. Aww. These are $45. I can't get over his ears. So cute. Baby Yoda tumblers for $34.99. 2 designs. For $69.99, they have 2 new Star Wars Spirit jerseys. They have this first one. Let's show the back. Hold out one sleeve for me, please. They have Cloud City. Let me let go of this tag. Cloud City. Has the actual city, then the falcon at the bottom. This is really pretty. This is the front of the Endor one. Has a little Ewok at the bottom. Turn it around. And the other side has space, Endor, and the Death Star behind it. My favorite out of all of these Star Wars Spirit jerseys is definitely the Endor one. And again, all of these Spirit jerseys are going to be $69.99. Board games, they have the Game of Life and Monopoly. These are both, let me see, these are both going to be $49.99. For $59.99, they have these glittery blue Make-A-Wish Crocs. Definitely one of my favorite Crocs here I've seen at the park. These Spirit jerseys, pale yellow with like a vintage Disney emblem on the back. This really reminds me of Sunshine State, like it has that Florida vibe to it. Oh, this is the front of it, again with a little vintage applique. These are $69.99. And they also have matching Crocs for $49.99. These are another really pretty design that I like. Sides say Walt Disney World. New Starbucks mugs. These ones are really cool. This is showing the new layout for Epcot. You can see Harmonious, Play Pavilion, And a few more things that are old, such as Figment and then Mission Space. These are $24.99. Very nice orange color too. They also have more in different colors. They have an Animal Kingdom one. Again, this is showing like another park layout. So you can see Dinosaur and Flight of Passage. Nice green color. This is going to be $24.99 as well. Then lastly, they have the Magic Kingdom park layout here as well. These are also going to be $24.99. Entire wall of ears here at World of Disney. Always so pretty to see. For $32.86, they have these light up winter themed ears. I'm actually going to turn them on. Let me show you guys what they look like when they lit up. These are what they look like when they're lit up. It's a very nice frost blue color. These are also going to be for $29.99. Cinderella blue ears. These are very beautiful, especially how it shines on the bow. This is like a velvet texture too, the actual ears. Here's something that I've never seen before. These are water bottle holders. They have two styles. They have a Mickey glove, and they also have mini ears. These are going to be $12.99 each. Then they also have these pull luggage tags. Then they also have these pull ID holders. These are going to be $14.99. Below those, they have some luggage tags. This is my favorite one, the Skyliner. There's also a mini one. And these are going to be $17.99. And below those, for $14.99 as well, they have little ID lanyard holders. This is what the other side looks like. For $9.99, they have these little sanitizer holders with bottles of sanitizer included. They're so cute, and there's so many different designs. My favorite out of all of the designs I see here has got to be this teacup one. How whimsical it looks. There's also a Small World one down here that I really like. And of course, this little rascal, Stitch. I did the 2021 collection already. That video will be linked down below. From going towards Everglazed, which is down by Splitsville, was originally the Pop Gallery before that closed down and they opened up Everglazed. It's busier on this side, isn't it? Mm-hmm. It's always busy on this side where the cinema is. Yeah. There are 3 new food trucks though. There's Four Rivers Cantina, there is ESPN Wide World of Sports, then Hot Diggity Dogs. Thank you. This is the menu for the Four Rivers Cantina. Oh, the birria tacos. Those are really, really good. Grandma has actually made some of those. Her channel will be linked down below. From the ESPN Wide World of Sports truck, it's still a mouthful to say, they have mac and cheese. Then from Hot Diggity Dogs, they of course have hot dogs. This is their menu. And this is why I came here on this side today. They have Everglazed, donuts and cold brew. This is where the old Pop Gallery used to be. Now it is a donut and cold brew place. Hi, what do you want to get? This is the menu here at Everglazed. I think their name is supposed to be a play on Everglades, which is a national park here in Florida. They not only offer dessert and cold brew here, they also offer flavored milk, and they also offer sandwiches and fries. Which one do you recommend?
I like the carrot cake. That's one of my favorites. I know it's simple, but it's
Blueberry cake? Do you want to get that?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll get one blueberry cake, please. Those are all of the donuts here at Everglazed. Looks so good. This is what I got from Everglazed. Grandma got the coconut donut, which looks really good. Then I got the blueberry donut. Mine's plain looking. But I also got the cinnamon toast milk because I'm a big fan of cinnamon toast and, well, milk. I'm going to try my blueberry donut and then a sip of my milk and let you guys know what I think. Okay, so the blueberry donut, this is really, really good. It's not too sweet, it has just like the right amount of sweetness, not overpowering or anything. Then the inside, it's like a nice like blue-purple color from the blueberries, and the blueberries taste like real blueberries. It does not taste artificial. And then the cinnamon toast milk, oh my gosh, they have like little cereal bits at the bottom, has that like really good remnant of like when you're finishing your cereal at breakfast. This is really, really good. I would recommend this place if you guys are in Disney Springs. Come try this place. This is so good. I have not been on this side of Disney Springs in a long time, but they're opening up an M&M store right next to the NBA Experience, which is still closed, unfortunately. But this is going to be the M&M store. Really, really cool. Jaleo is open. And then right where these walls are is where Beatrix is supposed to be. I wonder if they're still gonna go through with it. Across by the lake in front of me, this is the Disney Boardwalk Resort. Then next to that, they have the balloon. When the balloon does go up, you guys get to see like a nice panoramic view of the whole surrounding Disney area. Can't go on this right now because I can't afford it, but one day I'll be able to. Oh, look at the reflection of it on the lake though. That is so pretty. There's also an Amphicar, that blue thing right down there, that just launched from the Boathouse restaurant. That's another thing I can't afford to do right now, but someday I will be able to. It's so cool though. It kind of reminds me of the car from James Bond. Gonna make a wish of my own into the fountain. The Pixar movie Soul that is on Disney Plus streaming right now, it is incredible. Incredibly deep and has a really good message in it. I cried many times while watching this movie. I recommend it. A lot of lessons that my grandmother has taught me, like deep, mature lessons. It's really good, you guys. Go check it out. So this concludes my day here today at Disney Springs. We did a lot. We checked out the new merchandise over by World of Disney. Then we also went over to Everglazed and we got some of their donuts, and still drinking my cinnamon milk since I can't remove my mask. This is really good though. Everglazed is really good. If you guys are here at Disney Springs, be sure to check them out. They're over by Splitsville and the AMC Cinema. Thank you all so much for watching this video. If you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. That means a lot to me. And for those who have not subscribed to my channel yet, please be sure to hit the red subscribe button down below alongside the bell icon so you guys never miss an upload from me. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment down below, and share this video with your friends and family. Remember to be kind, stay humble, and God bless. I love and appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you all real soon.